What's up in our video? Today we're gonna play Five Nights of Freddy's. Okay guys, you know this is a 3-star horror game, and look at this. Look at Freddy, bro. And Totoy, she is in school. Yeah. Let's go. New game. Hey. Freddy Fazbear Pizza. Family. Babasa pa lang ako. Hindi pala naka-last bullet ko. Anong gagawin dito? Bakit? Hello? Hello?
I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office.
Hoy! Hello?
Finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact. So, I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So, let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting to the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a bath, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children if you show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up and being turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of '87. Yeah. It's amazing that the human
Hoy!
body can
Hello?
think about the
Hoy!
front row. Concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman, if any, is the fact that these characters,
Wala
if
yung
they happen
isa
to see you
dito.
after hours, probably won't recognize you as a
Fuck.
person.
Then.
They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume.
Ano mo, makakasurvive ba tayo dito?
Pretty Fazbear's Pizza. They'll probably try to
Uy, ba't nawala? Ba't nawala? Ba't nawala? Hoy!
Now that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross beams, wires,
Kaliwa.
especially around the facial
Huwag ka na
area.
magsalita.
So you can imagine how having your head forcibly pressed
Wait lang.
inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort and death. The only parts of you that would like to see the light of day again would be your eyeballs and teeth that pop out from the mask.
Ayun siya.
Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up.
Nawala.
Hey, first things like this,
Nawala.
I'll chat with you tomorrow. Check those
Saan
cameras.
dito siya?
Remember
Ayun
to
siya.
close the doors only if absolutely necessary. Gotta conserve power. Alright, good night.
Ayun siya. Uy! Nandiyan po si Freddy. Mabuti naman. Tumunang dalawa na ito. Ang dalawa. Yeah. Titig ako sa inyo. Ay na. Oy. Ayaw yung buhanga mo. Okay. Normal lang. Kaya, saka lang. Dito. Boss mo na yan. Malayo pa naman si Kiki. Kaya, malayo pa naman. Ay! Survive tayo, boy. Night 2. Woo! Okay. Ito sila lahat. Kaya naman lalaki ito. Ano naman?
Hello?
Hello!
Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since sprinting and sprints tend to become more active as the week progresses.
Hoy! Hello! Hi! Hi! Hi!
Use those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in
Ang
their
pangit
proper
mo!
place, you know. Interestingly enough, Fritz himself doesn't come off stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights.
Mamalobot ako.
There are blind spots in your camera view.
So pumayos pa
Blind
sila.
spots have to be right outside
Ay, ito na nga dalawa. Ito na yung dalawa. Ito na yung dalawa. Ito na yung dalawa. Ito na yung dalawa.
or somewhere.
Ito yung isa. Ano yung isa?
Be sure to check the door light.
Si Freddy napakabait talaga, no? Hindi talaga umagalaw.
Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that. Also, check out
Kasi malubot ako.
from time to time. The character in there seems unique in that he becomes more active if the cameras remain off for long periods of time.
Ba't
I guess he
sarado
doesn't
to?
like being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
Para tayo nasa backroom ha. Hoy! Hello! Saan siya? Isa o, nasa gitna o. Uy, ba't ayaw? Uy! Hello! Uy! Teka lang. Ay, dito ba si Dan? Sarado natin dyan. Hoy, nakapwesto na siya dyan. Hoy! Kung binabalak mo ako eh. Cable o audio only. Hoy! Ayaw! Kumang! What's the sound? Yan, lumayo ka lang. Pagkabasaran? Hoy! Nakatapat na sa kanya! Hoy! Hello! Hoy! Ah? Medyo lumipat si Bunny. Ayun siya oh. Bunny, ang bilis mo! Ay! Ah! Hello. Kiki, lumayas ka na. Tama, paborito ko na dito. Ayun o, ito yung flash mo. Ay! Ah. my god. We survived. Oh my god. Night 3. Dito na naman tayo. Baka gumagana si Freddy na ito. Please, manahimik ka na lang. Dun sa night 2 na yun, ako na dun.
Well, hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long.
Pwede naman pala i-mute. Okay? Ayan na, gumagana na yung isa. Ayan na, oh. Ay, kailangan ko na electric fan. Nakakaano. Kiki. 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 Ayan siya. Ayun o. Kiki, please lang. So, ina. Dito naman tayo sa dalawa. Dito ulit tayo. Ako na, nandiyan pa rin si Freddy. Okay. Ayun sila. Wala talaga. Please, sana ulit. 5 na. Oy! Okay lang yan. Oy! Si Freddy na! Gumagano na si Freddy! Ayun na, gumagano na. Dito tayo! Oy! Hello? Gumaganin dalawa? Gumagalaw na? Hoy! Ayaw ko na. Dito na naman. Ay! Ayaw ko na. Yung si Freddy. Bunny! So, dito sila manggugulat dun sa stage na yan. Naman to eh. Whew. Okay, tatlo na sila dyan. Ayun na, tatlo sila dyan. Sama-sama kayo. Ang bilis na tumakbo. Finally, 5 na. Ilang night ba to? Nakita ko yata dun, 12 nights ba yan? 12 nights ba yan? 12 nights ba yan? Ito ulit tayo. Ba?
Oh, oh, hey. Hey, well, day 4, I think you can do it. Hey, listen, I may not be around to send you a message tomorrow. It's been a bad night here for me. I'm kind of glad that I recorded my messages for you. And, when I
Hoy!
get
Hello! Hi! 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 Hi!
maybe sometime you can check
Pahirap na ng pahirap! Pahirap na yan! Pahirap!
back room. I'm gonna try to hold out until somebody
Ready? Paborito kita. Sige, sige, sige. Ay! Ay! Ah! Hoy! Palapit na ng palapit! Lumapit ka! Ready? Tulungan mo ko dito, yung dalawang mong kasama. Ang susugod. Naku po. Pwede na natin itong buksan kasi wala na si yan. Ah. Shortcut pala oh. Shortcut pala sila. Alam ko na kung paano to. Buksan na natin yan. Hoy! Ayun na si Box. Ayun na si Box. Ayun na, lumalabas na nga. Ayun na, lumalabas na. Yung mga pabor... Ayun na, ito na. Alam ko na yung jumpscare nan. Lock in ako ah. Wala. Pak! Alam mo ba, lagi kitang paborito sa buong mundo ko. Ay! Ah! Iyak ko na. Ayun na si Pak. Ayun na nga. Ayun na. Pagbukas ko na ito tamo. Ah! Kinaba ako. Ayaw ko talaga kay Pak. Joke lang yun. Finally. Nakakatakot pa to. Isa pa si Baby in Yellow eh. Ayun na, nag-i-start na ako agad. Mabuti wala na si Pak. Meet ko na yan. Hindi niya yata tao yan. Ba't ang bilis? Ba't ang bilis niya? Please, 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 please. Mabuti na wala ka sa boxing. Ayan na nga, ayan na nga. Nanganga nga. Kaya naman tayo. Alam ko nakahanda ka. Ito na para sa'yo. Nag-glitch ka. Ayan. Hoy. Normal pa lang. Kaya lumayo na sila. Dito na naman. Nakakatakot pa si Paxton kaysa pa kay Freddy. Ako naman tao yun. Sarado. Wala na siya dyan. Please lang, pahirap na ng pahirap. Answer mo lang. Ito na nga si Freddy. Ayun na nga si Paxi. Tuloy sila dito eh. Natin malalaman kung kailan pupunta yun. Tapos huwag kang tatakbo. Ayan, finally. Hanggang night 12 ba tayo? Ganun. Just court. The end. Thank you. Ito yung pangalan ko, Mike. Summit. Ayan ko. Binigyan ako ng 120. Thank you. So guys, meron pa yata itong part 2 at lalaroin ko ito sa susunod. Salamat, bye-bye. At kailangan mo muna mag-subscribe. Salamat, bye-bye. And, ingat!